Chris Van Praag. You're like my favorite LinkedIn influencer.
Would you mind not calling me that?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's cool. It's just, I'm not an influencer.
Influencer, content creator, what's the difference?
Can't we just chat about how to make fun content?
Oh, sure, but I already wrote the sketch and filmed all my green screen parts, but you could just go along with it.
Okay.
Hey everybody, Content Marketer Lance here with Chris Van Praag. Today we're teaching you how to make $50,000 off your personal LinkedIn brand in just 30 days.
That doesn't sound very realistic.
Tip number 1, be vulnerable with your audience by telling a story exaggerating how poor you used to be that ends with you exaggerating how rich you currently are.
I don't intend on influencing anyone.
Tip number 2, always be walking somewhere when you film a TikTok video. This creates the illusion that you have someplace important to be.
Okay, that one's actually not terrible.
Tip number 3, film all your content in a luxurious house with other creators. Because the only thing people like more than one LinkedIn influencer is 50 of them all in a mansion at the same time.
Look, can you stop? Look, I have nothing against how anyone chooses to make content.
I didn't mean to...
But I don't do any of those things. I just make funny and sometimes educational videos.
You're right. Do you want to stand out from all these fake influencers on LinkedIn and steal the humble method from Chris Van Praag? Humans first, under promise. You don't have to be an influencer to be noticed on LinkedIn. All you have to do is be interesting for a moment or two. Chris Van Praag is a master at creating hilarious video content. Join us this Thursday on YouTube and LinkedIn Live for a conversation about how to plan, write, and create short comedy videos for LinkedIn and TikTok.
Don't miss it.
Brought to you by Flying Cat. SEO. Look it up. And Apollo.io. It's the best.